Jasper is the most unproductive man in the kingdom, yet he is about to get a massive raise. Jasper is a court musician. For 20 years, he has played the same 3 songs on his lute. It still takes him exactly 3 minutes to play a 3-minute song. His productivity has not moved. But today, Jasper wants 50% more gold. The lord of the manor is furious. The stonemasons got a raise because they have new cranes and work twice as fast. They produce more, so they earn more. But you do the exact same work as the day you started. The Lord is right. Jasper's productivity is 0. But Jasper has a secret: the village quarry. Because the masons are now so efficient and wealthy, the quarry owner pays a high wage to anyone who can lift a stone. Jasper doesn't need to be a master mason. He just needs to be a warm body. To keep the music playing, the Lord is forced to pay Jasper more, even though Jasper's output hasn't improved at all. In economics, this is called the Baumol's cost disease. We see this today in modern business. A century ago, it took a barber 20 minutes to cut hair. Today, it still takes 20 minutes. There is no productivity growth in a haircut. However, because the stonemasons of today, like software engineers or manufacturers, are so productive and wealthy, wages across the entire economy have risen. We pay more for a haircut or a doctor's visit not because they are faster, but because the business must compete with what those people could earn at the quarry. What did we learn from Jasper's raise? Labor competition. Your salary is not just what you produce. It is a price set by what you could earn somewhere else. The service trap. Costs for human-heavy services like nursing or teaching will always rise faster than the cost of manufactured goods like phones. Price is not quality. Just because a service becomes more expensive doesn't mean it has improved. Sometimes it is just the cost of keeping the talent from walking away. See you in the next story.